Okay, bit of trigonometry here. What we have is a right angle triangle, and that side there is 7 units, 5 units and 3 units all in length. And we have this angle here labelled A. And the question states they want us to find sine A of this triangle, cos A of this triangle, and tan A of this triangle. Great, okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to label. We will label the triangle. This side here is the hypotenuse because it's opposite the 90, and it is the longest side of the 3. So that's hypotenuse, H for short. This side here is opposite the angle A, therefore we'll call it O for short. And this side here is beside angle A or adjacent to angle A, therefore we'll call it A for short. So that is labeling complete. That's the hypotenuse, the opposite, and the adjacent. Now the question says find sine A, cos A, and tan A. So I'm going to go to formula here. And first of all, the formula you'll often hear is sa, ca, toa. And that's when we're dealing with sine, cos, and tan. So we're going to deal with this first one here, sa. S stands for sine. And we have the letters O and H left over. So sine theta is A over H. So I have my formula selected. Let's look at the next one. C stands for cos, and cos theta equals, and then we've A and H is equal to A over H, and I beg your pardon, sine, that should be an O there. And the last one, T, is tan, is equal to theta, is equal to these two, opposite over adjacent. So there are 3 formulas. Sine theta equals O over H, cos theta equals A over H, and tan theta equals O over A, opposite over adjacent. Next bit we're going to sub in. So the angle we have selected, which is theta, and we are going to call that A, because A is the angle here, like so. The opposite side is 5, and the hypotenuse is 7. So sine A is equal to 5 over 7. Next bit, cos. Theta is the angle, and the angle here is A, so we sub in A. The adjacent side is 3, so we put 3 in here. And the hypotenuse is 7, so we put 7 in here. So cos theta turned into A equals the adjacent, which is 3, over the hypotenuse, which is 7. So cos A equals 3 over 7. And the last one here, it says tan theta, and the angle in this case is A, is equal to the opposite, which is 5, over the adjacent, and the adjacent in this case is 3, and that is it, finished. So we have sine A is equal to 5 over 3, that part done. Cos A is equal to 3 over 7, that part done. And tan A is equal to 5 over 3, and that is the question completed.